Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Instinct 2 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use hotkeys on your Garmin Instinct 2. So hotkeys allow you to hold down buttons or a combination of buttons on your Garmin Instinct 2 and have something happen. So as you can see, if I hold down the down button and the GPS button at the same time, it will activate the flashlight, which is very useful in dark environments. So you can easily turn that on using hotkeys. Some of the other hotkeys I have set up are going to be where if I hold down the down button, it opens up music. And then if I hold down the GPS button, it starts saving my location. So these can be really useful to have quick access to different features on your Garmin Instinct 2. All right, so to get started with setting up hotkeys on your Garmin Instinct 2, the first thing we need to do is open the menu. So just hold the up button for a second or two. Once the menu opens, hit the up button again to go to the bottom, and then select System with the GPS button. Once we're in System, scroll down until we see Hotkeys and select that. And then in here you can see all the different keys or combinations of keys that you can use and set up. So as you can see, I'll scroll through these so you can see them all. So all you need to do is select the one you want to set up. So I'll scroll through all of these so you can see all the options available. If you have any questions about them, let me know in the comments. All right, so all you need to do is select the one you want. For this one, I'm going to do GPS, which is going to be save your location. Once you've set it, it'll go back to the hotkeys main screen. Then you can use the set button to go all the way back to the watch, and you've now configured hotkeys on your Garmin Instinct 2. All right, so that's how you set up and use hotkeys on a Garmin Instinct 2. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct 2 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.